Here's how to register on TikTok Seller Center. First, open up any web browser and head over to seller.tiktok.com. Now you have to sign up. For that, click on the Join Now option. Now, you need to log in using your existing personal TikTok account, or you can also sign up using your email address, phone number. Now on this page, you will have to enter detail about your entity type. Choose your business lane. Select individual if you're operating under your own legal name. Now on the next page, you will have to upload verification document. You can select whichever document you want. If you have selected passport, then upload your passport over here. After that, you will have to fill up all of these details. So go ahead and enter your personal information, then enter your residential address details. Finally, you want to enter either your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Then click on next. On the next page, you will have to input your store and tax info. Here, enter details such as shop name, primary category, and tax identifiers. After that, you will have to submit this application for review. Double check that every single piece of text matches your document exactly. Then click on Submit. Once you submit, your account enters the official verification queue. For most standard regional sellers, the review process takes 3 to 5 business days to clear. You will receive an email notice as soon as your green checkmark status is approved. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.